Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, yeah. Hello, Luke Rides. Luke Rides is back. So why are we here? Oh, this is quite an interesting one. This is dedicated to how do you remove the baffle. So Luke Rides is talking about only Akapovic and Euro 4. How do you remove the baffle? Oh, this is worth watching. Let's do it. Yeah.
It's showtime.
And that is your rubber washer by Akapovic, hiding the baffle behind. It was fairly easy. These are not tight to the end can, but they do a really nice job of hiding that there is a hole. Now you're going to need a socket starting between a 10 and an 8mm socket with a ratchet and extension. Preferably aim for something like this, a deep socket. And again, something like this, an extension, small ratchet. So what you're going to need is you're going to need a ratchet and an 8mm socket on a ratchet. Being careful not to scratch the carbon fibre or to nick the carbon fibre with the tool. Hold the tool at all times because you cannot trust this. This will try and get out of the nut and try and fall out of the motorcycle, and then scratching and damaging the carbon fibre, you know. So hold it at all times to stop such a thing from happening.
You're goddamn right.
It's very gorgeous carbon fibre, best on the market, best quality, stunning finish. Don't damage your carbon fibre. Look at that, little 8mm bolt holding the baffle in. Okay. Looking for the lip. Oh. So the best technique I found for removing it is pull it down at the top, pull it up at the bottom, pull it down at the top, grab hold of it, pull it up at the bottom. So don't try pulling out, you're wasting your time. So grab it at the top, pull down. Grab it at the bottom, pull up. Grab it at the top, pull down. Grab it at the bottom, pull up. Do not try pulling out, you're not getting anywhere. Never pull out. At the top, pull down. At the bottom, pull up. And finally, it's got a little rotor. There's not much to it, is there? That was hard work. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Isn't that crazy? But it took a lot of learning, a lot of pretty much chewing up the end of this baffle to get to this point. Wow, you can actually see that is one ginormous hole. That's the hole that would be in your Euro 4 Akrapovic slip end can. Just without this. Let's see how she sounds. And just a sneak peek into what you're about to hear, but we are going to take the R90 out to road test and see how the 1200cc classic superbike engine behaves, how she's fueling, and just generally how she's running. So this is one of the only R NineT Racers classic superbike with a actual removed baffle. So this is at idle. So, Luke Wright hopes that you will enjoy that one and that you learned quite a bit. It was an interesting technique that Luke Wright had to use at the time with a fellow motovlogger and a fellow biker who's amazing. And we figured out that it was a certain technique that eventually made the baffle find its way out of the end cam. But if you didn't know how to do it, because you remove the bolt that holds the baffle in, and you think, yeah, you just get a bit of pliers and it will come out. It doesn't, though. That's the thing. It doesn't just come out. You actually have to use a technique to work the baffle out. And to think that's so exotica, that is Akapovic, amazing, the best, most beautiful, most stunning, titanium, not just titanium mines that Akapovic own and manage, which is cool because Akapovic know where titanium's coming from, so that's really interesting. And he quite hopes it's watching. Thanks for watching. Yeah.
The way we...
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Can we drink the coffee, yeah? Come here. We can. Yay.